resort. So this is actually the reception area. So let's see. My gosh, it's so hot. Same as in the Philippines. So this is the departure lounge. And then this is the gym area. If you could see that one. So they also have gym area here. And I think we are kind of complete with every facility that you need. You know, at least, and then you're living in an island, something like that. So yeah. And then there's also tennis court and some stuff. And nope, you go ahead, love.
I was gonna do a hyperlapse.
So yeah, this is the gym. It's open 24/7. Alright, so this part naman, this is what I'm telling you, they have a tennis court and you need to book for a tennis court, something like that. So they also have this vegetable garden. Okay, let's go. Look at that. I miss Puto. Puto kept on pronouncing the vegetable as vegetable. Ooh, look at the tennis court. And I don't know, what is that? Oh, okay. So, diba? Christy. Ang mga tao pala sa likod. So now we're near the pool area. The pool area is here. And it's grabe, ang ganda ng pool na yun. So now we're going somewhere na hindi naman alam. And then yun lang nga siya, medyo nakakapagod siya kasi lakad dito, lakad doon. But I think it's fine. So ayan siya, meron siyang mga ganitong counter. I think this is to prevent the big waves or something like that. Pero ayan siya. So yung room namin is doon pa banda, malayo-layo pa siya dito. And then that's also part of it, yung pinakamalayo na yan. It's like a small sandbar, but it's not really a sandbar kasi hindi naman siya lumulubog pag mataas ang tubig. Alright, so now we're going to the bar. So this is the bar that they have. I think they call it sandbar or something like that. And then ito yung pool. I don't want to creep out those people when they're swimming and relaxing their peacefully. But yeah. That's the pool, and this is the kids' pool. So this is the restaurant, yung buffet restaurant. I'm not sure if I will be able to take a video later of the food that they offer. Kasi no, daming tao. So yeah, now we're going back to our room. Yay! So now we're in our room. Ito yung palatandaan ko, yung buko na yan. Lalo na paggabi. Although may mga lights naman siya ng kaunti, but still. So yeah. Here we go. We are at room 209. So ayan tayo. So ayan, this is our room. Diba? Amazing siya. Pero punta pa tayo doon sa dagat. Be, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng dagat nila. So that's our room there. Our neighbors. Punta tayo sa dagat. Diba? Sana maganda yung may sunset kasi parang almost everyday cloudy dito na part, so natatakpan yung araw. So ayun siya, diba? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Guys, if you have a chance, you should visit Maldives. It's really nice. It's so refreshing na makakita ng, bagong place. Ayan siya. Diba? This is Innahura Maldives Resort. So I'm not gonna discuss the price now because if you search them on Google, you would know naman eh. And then if you are on a budget as well, you can try to use the Sky Scanner. Pero kasi sa Sky Scanner, the more cheaper, the more na maraming layovers. So ganun siya. But hello, diba sa layovers na yun, my gosh. So tiisin nyo na, makapunta lang dito.
We have to grab masks, right?
Yes po, oh my god, right. Never mind, I'll just pause it.
I walk ahead of you?
Yeah, go. Ayan, let's start here.
You want to see inside? Wow, this is delicious. Hello.
Oh my gosh, paano? Go to the dessert na. Maybe can I get your food?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll wait for you.
Oh. Alright, done. How do I do that now? Hold on.
Oh, beautiful.
Do, 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 do.